Hi, my name is Phyllis Traylor, and I am the instructor for the Texas Notary Public Advanced Training Course. A little background on myself. I've been a Notary Public for almost 10 years. I'm also a Texas Certified Process Server. I am a contributing writer for the American Association of Notaries, and I have a master's degree in adult and higher education. So I enjoy teaching, writing, and sharing. The Advanced Texas Notary Public Training is the second part of the Texas Notary Public Training Workshop. This course has been approved by the Texas Judicial Branch Certification Commission for 3 hours of continuing education for Texas process servers. It's recommended but not required that you complete the Texas Notary Public Training Workshop prior to taking this course. Who should take this course? Texas process servers who need continuing education credit. Current Texas Notary Publics, as a refresher, students who have completed the Texas Notary Public Workshop. Why you should take this course. A Texas Notary Public is personally liable for negligence or fraud in the performance of the duties of the office. The Notary Public assumes personal liability for the full extent of damages caused by a breach of his or her official duty. In addition to civil liability, Texas Notaries Public may be subject to criminal prosecution and the revocation or suspension of their Notary Public commission by the Texas Secretary of State's office. There are currently no requirements for any type of formal training for Texas Notary Publics. However, as you will learn in this course, Texas Government Code 406.009 gives the Texas Secretary of State the authority to reject an application or suspend or revoke the commission of any notary public for a good cause. Good cause includes the failure to comply with Section 406.017 of the Texas Government Code, a final conviction for a violation of law concerning the regulation of the conduct of notaries publics in this or another state, the imposition on the notary public of an administrative, criminal, or civil penalty for the violation of a law or rule prescribing the duties of a notary public. This means that even though there are no requirements for formal training, a Texas Notary Public is still expected to know and, more importantly, follow the laws and regulations governing his or her commission. By the way, what is not mentioned are the monetary fines that can also be imposed if any of the laws are violated. So not only can a Texas Notary Public lose his or her commission, the individual could be looking at some pretty hefty fines depending on the severity of the violation committed, and believe me, this does happen. Unfortunately, the excuse "I didn't know" does not come into play. Before you start notarizing documents, it is your responsibility to learn the rules and regulations governing your Texas Notary Public Commission. What you will learn in this course is how Notary Public procedures applies to process service, notarizing for signers with disabilities, adding notarial certificates, authorized notarial fees, proper record keeping, notarizing documents requiring witnesses, avoiding official misconduct, notarizing documents in foreign languages, notarizing translations, signing with the power of attorney, and more. The mission of the Texas Notary Public Training Academy is to teach the Texas Notary Public how to properly notarize documents and complete notarial certificates so the Texas Notary Public will feel confident completing notarial duties for the general public. Also provide training in what to do and what not to do as a Texas Notary Public.